the girl who could see sounds in the peaceful town of Nurabad, where mornings smelled of fresh parathas and evenings echoed with children playing cricket, lived a curious 11-year-old girl named Aksa. She wasn't like other kids. While everyone else heard sounds with their ears, Aksa saw them. Yes, every sound in her world came with a color, a shape, and sometimes even a tiny dance. When her mother tapped a spoon on the glass, Aksa saw silver ripples floating in the air like shiny fish. When her father laughed loudly, she saw bright orange fireworks popping above his head. Even the chirping of sparrows formed tiny yellow stars that twirled around the rooftop. Aksa kept this secret for a long time because she feared people might think she was strange. But she loved her gift. Her world was never silent or dull. One day, her school announced a grand music competition. The best musicians from the whole district would participate. Aksa wasn't a musician, but she loved watching sounds. Every drum, every flute, every clap painted the air with magical colors that only she could see. Her best friend, Zoya, insisted, "You should join the competition. Maybe you can play something." Aksa shook her head. "I don't know how to play any instrument, and I can't explain my gift." But Zoya didn't give up. She dragged Aksa to the music room where old dusty instruments stood quietly. Aksa picked up a small wooden flute. The moment she blew into it, a soft green wave drifted out, curling gently like a leaf in the wind. Her eyes widened. Zoya gasped, "Aksa, you're glowing." Aksa laughed shyly. That's the sound. Day after day, Aksa practiced. She couldn't read musical notes, but she followed colors. When the sound was too sharp, the color looked spiky. When it was perfect, the color flowed smooth and bright. Slowly, she learned how to control the shapes and shades in the air. On the day of the competition, the big auditorium buzzed with excitement. Children tuned their violins, tabla players warmed their hands, and singers hummed nervously. Aksa felt her heart racing. When her name was announced, she walked on stage, holding her flute tightly. The lights dimmed. The hall fell quiet. She closed her eyes and blew the first note. A soft emerald glow rose around her like morning mist. The audience murmured, amazed by the beauty of her melody, not knowing the colors she was guiding with her breath. As she continued, blues, greens, and gentle pink waves danced above the stage. They couldn't see what she saw, but they could feel it. The music touched their hearts. When she finished, the entire hall stood up in applause. Zoya screamed the loudest. Aksa smiled, her cheeks turning rosy. After the competition, the judges called her backstage. "Where did you learn to play like this?" one asked. Aksa hesitated for a moment. Then, for the first time in her life, she told the truth. "I can see sounds," she whispered. The judges blinked in surprise but then smiled. "Whatever your gift is, never hide it. The world needs magic like yours." Aksa's story spread across New York. Instead of being considered strange, she became a symbol of uniqueness. Kids admired her, teachers supported her, and musicians asked her for advice. She realized something important. A gift is only strange until you share it. After that, it becomes your superpower. From that day on, Aksa played her flute proudly, painting the world with colors no one else could see yet. Everyone could feel. And in her colorful, musical world, she finally found where she truly belonged. Moral: your uniqueness is your superpower. Never hide what makes you special.